You open the fridge. You grab whatever's easiest, maybe a granola bar, maybe leftovers from 2 nights ago. You don't think about it. But the real answer to what your body was built to eat is far stranger than anything in that fridge. For most of human history, there was no fridge, no farm, no harvest waiting on a schedule. Your ancestors ate whatever the land gave them that week, and the land rarely gave them the same thing twice. Anthropologist Catherine Milton spent years studying primate and hunter-gatherer diets, and she found something surprising. Early humans weren't eating meat every day like the caveman stereotype suggests. Most calories came from plants, roots, and fruit, whatever was in season. Meat was rare. When it came in a feast, not a routine. Then something changed the entire trajectory of the species. Richard Wrangham, a primatologist at Harvard, proposed that cooking food was the real turning point. Cooked food is easier to digest. It delivers more energy for less chewing. That extra energy, Wrangham argued, is part of what allowed the human brain to grow as large as it did. And there's another twist. Researcher Amanda Henry examined ancient dental plaque and found starch grains from tubers and grains, even before farming began. Ancient humans were already experimenting with plants we'd recognize today, long before agriculture made them abundant. So what does that mean for you, standing in front of your fridge tonight? Your body isn't built for routine. It's built for variety, for uncertainty, for a diet that shifted with the seasons and never sat still. The granola bar isn't the problem. The sameness is. You open the fridge, and for a moment, you wonder what your ancestors would think of all this choice, sitting untouched behind a door.